In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly profile picture. Whether you're sprucing up your profile to make it more professional for clients, or simply wanting to update your online presence, changing your profile picture on Calendly is a straightforward process that I'll guide you through in just a few minutes. First things first, let's navigate to the Calendly website. You can do this by typing calendly.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page is loaded, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on Login to proceed. Calendly offers different methods to log in, including using your Google account, which can be a convenient option if you're already using Google services. So for our next step, select Continue with Google. This will redirect you to choose the Google account you'd like to use with Calendly. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one that you want associated with your Calendly profile. After selecting your account, Google might ask for permissions or confirmations. Proceed by clicking Continue or giving the necessary permissions. This ensures that Calendly can access your Google account information needed to log you in automatically in the future. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Calendly dashboard. To start the process of changing your profile picture, you'll need to find your profile settings. Look towards the top right of the page. There you'll see your current profile picture or a placeholder image if you haven't set up a profile picture yet. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, select Profile to access your personal profile settings. Now that you're on your profile page, you'll notice several options to customize your Calendly profile. One of these options is Upload Picture. Clicking this will allow you to choose a new profile picture from your device. Take a moment to find a picture that represents you well. This could be a professional headshot or any clear and friendly photo where your face is easily recognizable. Once you've selected the perfect picture, upload it. The uploading process may take a few seconds, so don't worry if you don't see the change immediately. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your new profile picture displayed on your Calendly profile. This new image will now be visible to anyone who views your Calendly link, ensuring a more personalized and professional appearance. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on Calendly. Remember, your profile picture is often the first impression people have of you in a professional setting like Calendly. A good clear photo can contribute positively to your online presence, making you more approachable and professional to potential clients or colleagues. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions about optimizing your Calendly profile or making the most out of your Calendly experience, don't hesitate to dive deeper into our resources or check out more of our tutorials. Happy scheduling and see you in the next video.